Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make Yahoo your home page. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop open up the Google Chrome. Once you land on this, over to the upper right corner, there you will get three dot icon. Click over there. A dialog box will pop up. From there, click on the settings option at the bottom of this box. Once you land on your settings page, now at the left hand side you will get appearance option under performance. So click on appearance, and here under this mode option there you see show home button. So turn on that toggle. Once you turn on that, you can enter the custom web address. So enter www.yahoo.com. Now your home button will be shown at the upper left corner of this interface here. Now if you click on this home button, then yahoo.com will be opened, and that's how you can make Yahoo your home page. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.